Hi, I'm Lex. I am technically Marty's granddaughter, by paper. In heart, she's my mom, my real mom, who gave birth to me. She actually passed away in a car accident when I was about 4 months old. And so my mother raised me, and her and my dad, who are my grandma and grandpa, they're my mom and dad. They have my heart, and they brought me into this beautiful environment, which is the Rose of Sharon. I have always been the little girl that ran around. I knew the clients by first names. I knew everything about them, and they knew everything about me. I would come home from softball games, I would come home from school, and all my favorite people were here. And now it's crazy because I get to do their hair, so it's like almost 20 years later, and now I get to sit behind the chair and I get to do people's hair that I love and that I've known for my whole life. There's nothing better than that. That's probably my favorite part about being a part of this business, is not only do I get to make people really beautiful aesthetically, but I get to learn so much about people inside, and that's my favorite part about this business. Okay, so let's pick this party up. I have a fun fact. Number one is that I love socks. I'm a sock freak, and anything with like a funny saying or cocktails or like cute designs, I have to have them. And people that know me and love me always buy me socks. Okay, back for a second fun fact. This one is that I love hearts. Anything hearts, anywhere, whether it's a heart rock, a heart leaf, a heart bracelet, I have to have it, and I can't pass it up, which I think is why I have a shopping problem too. But here's a heart here. There's a story behind that one. That's a good one. And there's even this really cool heart too. I love hearts. Okay, so for those of you who wanted to know more background about my heart tattoo, you can see it there. It's a little purple one. I got that about 5 years ago. My niece passed away in 2014, and before she passed away, she had mentioned to my brother and my sister-in-law that she always wanted a heart tattoo. They never let her get it because she was, 10 at the time. And so after she passed, me and my sister-in-law decided that we would get a heart tattoo in memory of her.
What did she pass away from?
She had cancer. She was actually diagnosed when she was about 3.5. And actually, this town was amazing with that because they came together and they provided like so much support and so much love. And that was actually one of the reasons that we had our services at the Redlands Bowl, is so that everyone could be a part of it. We felt like, they were a part of our journey, and so we didn't want to take that from them. And it was crazy because the whole thing was built. So one last thing is every day that I get to walk in here, I get to feel grateful that not only do I get to work with my actual family, my mom and my brother. Dolores, she's worked for us for almost 20 years, and she's like the sister that I never had the opportunity of getting. But I actually get to be in this place with people that I genuinely love and enjoy, and I get to watch grow every day on every aspect. Technically, creatively, but really spiritually as people, we get to grow and be a part of each other's journey, and that's my favorite thing about this, and just this world in general, is that we get to be a part of each other's lives and genuinely love.